we've got a package, and it's literally one of those small things I've always wanted to do on the Ford Focus. Install Rallyflapz on the Ford Focus. I've tried installing some cheap ones from Amazon and I didn't get much success, so I decided to order these ones, which has already been, pre-owned and all that. So it even comes with the fixing instructions. So fingers crossed I shouldn't run into any problems trying to fix this onto this. So yeah, no long talk, let's just do it straight up.
You know I got it. I pull up, I come round, make my rounds, it's my town. Like, you know I got it. Hey, when I'm round, they now. What's up now? This touchdown. Like, hey, niggas from city be hating them niggas, don't show me no love. Hey, it is what it is, cause I'm brushing my shoulders, walk off with a shrug. Hey, this shit is a dub. Hey, this shit is a dubsy. Hey, why am I all in my feelings when I got these people that love me? Hey, I cannot feel none you niggas, I only feel one that's above me. Hey, come for me quick and I promise my niggas will make it get ugly. Hey, this shit is a dub. Hey, this shit is a dubsy. Hey, why am I all in my feelings when I got these people that love me? You know I got it. I pull up, I come round, make my rounds.
I can't even lie, yeah. These things, even though they look quite simple to fix, maybe they're simple to fix, it's just because I've not done it before. But I've done the first one now, I'm just gonna do the same thing I've done on this first one to the second one, because literally they just mirror each other. You put one here, and the other one mirrors on the other side. But now that I know how I did this, and I did this quite, I should be able to do this one quite easily as well. But yeah, it's becoming more harder than I actually thought. To be fair, you do need to take your time when you're doing this, or if you're ever doing this, especially with these fittings, they are quite tasking. That's the word I'll use, tasking. So yeah.
Say the same about y'all. I'm minding my business and staying committed. I'm treating it like a job. I'm running the muck and I'm caught in the clinic. I don't do this for applause. Yeah, you know I got it. I pull up, I come round, make my rounds, it's my town. Like, you know I
So
got
I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna reuse this top U clip. But I'm fitting one of the supplied U clips here, and I'll fit the other one here. This isn't supposed to fit into here. I just need to put the screw which I took from it, put it back in. This is supposed to fit to the rally flap, to the mud guard, and then these two are the major fittings. I've put those two screws in. Now I've also put this, the support, I think it's the strength support bar underneath here. This comes into this place here. This one, I think I just lock this back, close this back like this, and we're back in business.
Look, we tastemakers, groundbreakers, we crown shakers. Moved us out the margin, we're writing, that's how we found paper. Hustle nature, since we was riding back on the scooter razors. Had no stable footage since then, I've been an earthquaker. Brown sugar and cinnamon, don't think that I'm the greatest, I just settle for the synonyms. Hey, they wonder what's got it into him. I took a couple losses, I'm trying to win again and win again and win again. I ain't taking minimums, my destiny was written in. Coming with a different sin, coming with a different stench. Smelling like greatness and I spray it every day, that's the latest. Moving crazy all around me. I was hotter than my feelings, then you found me. I'm just too aware of my surroundings. Looking at the blessings I've been counting.
But right now, yeah, I'm just gonna tighten this side up. Once I tighten this side up, then I'll put the wheels back on, then we'll go over to the other side, then we'll do it much more calmly, because we know what we're doing now. Do you get me? Much more calmly. So yeah, let's just jump into that now and wrap this side up.
Reset again, that's everything I'm better than, but everything I'm used to. Sticking to the basics got me looking for a new glue, looking for a new crew, looking for a new outlet that doesn't sacrifice my self-respect. I don't know all the steps that I'm taking, still walking through it. Hope I find a shawty that really listens and talk me through it. Oftentimes we end up smashing and loving lust. They asking for my heart, don't give it, it's hard to trust. Consider that a plus, and mine is the complications. Feel like everyone's the same, internet and mutations. While all the weak get the highest of the praises.
we're taking these tires off now, and I'll do the same thing over here. Now that we're here, I can kind of say I know what I'm doing. Emphasis on the kind of. So basically, to install the bracket, we're installing this two-piece first. So this two-piece goes in first, and every other thing comes after. Basically, it's like this. Here, I'm taking out this clip, but I'll leave the other clip there, and I'll put another one here, then drill this bit. Once I drill that in, it goes to that hole, then I can put the bracket in. So I've just had to bend this out. Just realized I could even bend this out to get to these two screws. So I've just bent this out, and I'm putting it's the previous screw I'm reusing. So yeah, so I just want to use this opportunity to appreciate everyone who's been dropping, helpful comments on my channel. Literally, most of the stuff I've done on this channel, I've never actually done any of it before. So it's like I'm just taking, things hands on, like how I want stuff to be. I just go ahead and try as much as possible to, like find a way. And that's basically what the channel is all about. You feel me? Like, if you've been enjoying this video, I would appreciate also if you give it a like, share, comment. On that same note, on that same note, the next video I'm trying to do on the channel, I want to change the steering. I want to upgrade the steering to probably MK3. The only thing is I have not quite researched it yet, and I don't know how changing the platforms will work. If you know more about that, I'll appreciate if you drop a comment. Just give me a little bit of advice or like stuff to look out for where you think it might be challenging for me. But yeah, that's literally what I want to do. I want to change the steering on this car and add cruise control to it. If you've added like cruise control to your car, or you've done what I'm talking about before, just drop a comment. Give me any advice that you think will be beneficial for me in the next video. God bless. Now we're done with the back, it's only right that I'll start with the front. Anyways, I'm gonna do the front now, and hopefully it shouldn't be too hard to fix the front. Just need to remove 3 clips, 1, 2, maybe 3, I don't know. Just need to remove 3 clips by the side here, and then put the same plastic fittings. It shouldn't be hard, fingers crossed. I had every plans of cleaning out the brake calipers and painting it yellow before, but with the way it's going, I don't think I will be able to, because right now the time is almost 5 and I wanted to watch the game, Man City Arsenal. I can't. In fact, I'm literally having to watch the game here. So what do you guys think? Yellow for the brake caliper next time. No, I won't be able to do that in this video, but what do you think? Yellow for the brake caliper, or is it too much? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section if you think I should paint it yellow or go for something else. Basically, the front flaps are very, very easy to install. Just take these 3, plastic screws out, and then put the one supplied by Rallyflapz. That's literally it. It's very, very easy to, install. So I'll do the same thing for the other side, but I'll just do that off camera, and yeah, we'll call it a day. Yeah.
I flow, been through the mud, I just brush it on my toes. We could book a flight or we can drive down the coast.
That, ladies and gentlemen, is job all done. The front wasn't so hard to fix as compared to the back, and I think that could have been some of my fault because I didn't understand the manual at first. But later on, when I got what the manual was trying to say, it was like easy job. But yeah, if you stayed up to this point, thank you very much. You can drop a like, share, comment, you know, let me know what you think I should do next. And like I said, I'm doing the cruise control next, and if you have any helpful tips, any suggestions, anything I should look out for before or after or whilst doing this, you know, let me know in the comment below. And yeah, God bless. See ya.
Madness all through March, I was sitting on the bubble, stepping out the bubble like I took off my DNs. You should just do it, now I do it for a check.